Shivat, my.
Yeah, you can call me Shiva. It's a
Yes,
complicated.
Shiva is fine.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I am doing good. How are you doing?
I am doing good. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Shiva?
I am from Mangalore.
Uh-huh.
And are you Konkani by any chance?
Do I look like a Konkan?
Because your surname says Nayak. In Konkani there is Nayak.
Yes, but I'm not from Konkan. Do I look like a Konkan?
I haven't seen many Konkani people. I can't guess.
Most of the people tell me that I look like a Bengali.
No, I just assumed because of your surname.
No. I'm from MP, Bhopal.
Oh, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, Madhya Pradesh.
Got it.
Capital of MP, Bhopal. Yes, I'm from that particular place. Okay, so lovely. Let's begin.
Yeah, sure.
Tell me something more about yourself, please. I would love to know.
I am Shivatmaj. I am a software engineer from Mangalore, and
Mm-hmm.
I recently completed my engineering. Apart from that, I love to do YouTube during my free time. That's pretty much about me in short. Uh, 2 years back, I was in Clapingo, like I was taking Clapingo sessions to improve my English speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So I took a big
And
break,
then,
and now I started again.
that's completely fine. Can I ask you why you took such a huge break?
It's because like I can speak English, but I want to become more fluent in English. So I was busy getting a job and yeah, all those things, finishing my engineering.
Oh, yeah, I can understand. Now, see Shiva, you already know everything about clapping, correct?
Yes.
Because you were a part of it. So, would you like to ask anything that is triggering in your mind? Or will you directly go to the enrollment part?
We can go to the enrollment part itself.
Okay, so that you know how to do it, that you will be doing on the application itself, correct? I
Yes.
can give you one particular referral code. If you'll use that, you'll get 10% off.
Okay, sure. You can like send me.
Yeah, that particular thing I have already shared in the chat box. You can just see it. You please take a screenshot of that.
Yeah, I
You'll be
can
getting
see.
extra 10% off for this. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I have a copy.
You'll be getting extra 10% off. Yes. And if you have any other doubts, you can just ask me because you know how it works. You'll be getting session notes. You'll be getting all the content prior to the class. You need to go through it. You'll be getting vocabularies, idioms, and everything. You'll be having a conversation with the speaker, and then yeah, the speaker will be giving you a detailed feedback how you speak, how you know how have you performed and everything. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can just ask your speaker, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I have another session with you today itself at 10:40.
So you have already enrolled, is it?
Yeah, I have already enrolled. I don't know, somehow I got this.
Okay, then that's completely fine. So I would recommend you that just go through that particular session notes, and we can continue from 10:40 only,
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
right?
I just
Because
want to
that
know
would be
that
great.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
If you can,
Yes, please.
how can I become a
Sure.
great speaker by using body language and speaking more fluently? Do you suggest me
You
any
actually
practice things to do in my free time?
you took the correct point, because what happens when we are speaking, it's not only about our words. Our words impact 7% on the audience mind. 55% is our body language. 21% is our voice, correct? Tone of
Yes.
voice. And 7% is the usage of words. So body language plays a very important role. What you can do is, whenever you are speaking to anyone, stop slouching, sit straight, because when you sit straight, you look more confident and attentive, right? Have a smile on your face, use your hands while speaking. when you are speaking, every part of your body is being used. You nod by your head, you make an eye contact with your eyes, maintain a healthy distance, correct? Appearance matter. Don't be filthy. Try to have those your haircut and your beard properly trimmed, correct? Make sure you're wearing proper professional shades if you are going for anything that is professional, correct? And then voice modulation. Most importantly, it's not only about voice modulation, it's about your rate of speech as well. Your voice, where is your pitch? Because your voice tone needs to be in a good condition, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, what happens? Suppose you are using the very best vocabularies, but you're not at all audible to me. So, do you think it would be worthwhile? No.
No.
So, it is very important to keep a note of these things. Correct? These are the most important things. Body language. Body language actually covers three parts: gestures, postures, and facial expressions. Correct?
Basically. Yeah.
Then then comes your voice, and at last comes your fluency and grammar. So this is all the things that are included. Then two more pillars we have, that is confidence and thought process. Correct? Because it
Yes.
is very important while speaking, our thought process needs to be aligned. Suppose I'm thinking about Taj Mahal and I'm speaking about Taj Mahal, but in between I just brought Qutub Minar or something like that. You would be confused, right? She was
Yes.
talking about Taj Mahal. Where did Qutub Minar came? Correct? So
Yes.
that is very important. And then most important thing is confidence. When you are confident, then only you are comfortable. To be comfortable, you need to be confident, right?
Yes.
So these are the five parts that majorly we can work upon, and we can just win the battle. Okay.
Yes. That really
And
helps.
yeah, it really helps. So what we can do is, I would recommend you at 10:40. Please make sure to go through the session notes. Okay, we'll meet at that time, and I'm looking forward, to have a great session with you. Indeed.
Yeah. Same here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So please take care.
Yeah.
See ya.
You too. Take care. Same.